I'd expect nothing less from a member of FUBAR.
So yeah.
Pew pew! Pew pew pew! Surrender!
Avanti!
No, you're on the dumb way.
I'm just gonna go. Right?
Let's go!
Really? Are we going that way?
I mean, why not? Booty!
They're pushing up over here, Cody. They're pushing up over here. You got bad people over here in the woods. Fuck are you, motherfucker? Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad. Oh yeah, they are. They're pissed off now. Man. Hello? Hello? Anybody home? Hello? I don't think nobody home. What a delightful afternoon. Oh. Hey. Now they're all out to prove something. Fuck. No.
Get on your shoulders.
No.
And we're gonna run.
No. That's a terrible idea.
That attitude.
I probably should have given one of them the camera, but I want to prove myself innocent, so.
Word up.
Yep.
Look at the whole thing.
Probably getting raped, aren't they? Bunch of assholes. Hey, good kill. Good kill.
That one. Probably getting raped.
Probably getting raped. Probably taking her up the butt. Right about now. Hello. Hello. Anybody home? Die, motherfucker. I know you're behind cover, but still, you ought to die. I hope I killed you. Did I get him? Oh, I got him. Cool. I actually got a kill. Woo, that was close. Getting closer. Fuck. Fuck you. Nah, bruh, I ain't about that life. Oh, Will, I love you. Bye, Will. I miss you, buddy. Miss you bunches. Oh, there's another one there. Okay, bye to you too. That motherfucker. There's another one over there. They just keep coming. It's ridiculous. You'd think they learned by now, right? You know what my policy is? Talk shit, call your hits. Know what I'm saying? Normally it's talk shit, get hit, but today it's call your hits. Because, my God. My God. Oh. Oh. You gonna shoot me or what? I'm waiting. Like nothing? Nobody? Not even a little bit? Hey, is that a hit? That was a gun? I think it hit the building. It wasn't me though. Okay, yeah. The gun hit somehow. Yeah, I know, it wouldn't even count anyway, but I mean, where's that coming from? That's what I was thinking. Is that from over there?
They gotta be lobbing them.
That's gotta be lobbing like way the fuck far away, because that's not hitting worth shit. Yeah, I don't know where the fuck that would be coming from, because I don't see anything. What? Yeah. I don't know, I mean, there's a lot of brush and shit. I'm not gonna call anybody out because they keep trying to call me out and I don't really give a shit, so. I mean, they can watch the footage for all I care. I'm not even gonna cut this. I'll leave every bit of this in. That's what I always say. I don't fucking wear a camera. I can't be BSing. You'll fucking see it. I don't cut in the middle of firefights. That would be really obvious if I did that shit, but I don't. I only cut whenever it's boring. So it's not like I'm cutting shit out. And this one I probably won't even cut, because, yeah.
All the way over here. Go to Vietnam.
Hey, Swade. Well, damn it, Cody. And what's that temperature change?
Just a little bit.
Like just now?
It's so cold.
All of a sudden? Kind of cool, actually. Get it? Temperature cool?
You know what I mean?
I'm still waiting on somebody to shoot me. That way I can call it.
I know, right?
That'd be the day. Hey, there's somebody there. Hey, motherfucker!
I shoot to you.
You wanna fuck on me? You wanna fuck on me? You wanna fuck on me?
Yeah, okay, got one.
What you got? I don't say shit. What you got? I don't see anything. Well, that's good. Maybe that's why I don't see him then, huh? Hello? Hello? Dude, if all three of us go, they can't possibly kill us, right? Or they kill all of us, either way. But I mean, one of two things will happen. I haven't even died yet.
I died once.
I have yet to even die. I don't give two shits. You gotta be hit, bro. Please, for the love of God, call that. Please? Please? No? Pretty sure that was a headshot, but I'm a nice guy. I'm not gonna call people out. Hello? 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 Hey, Red! How you doing? You're lucky I was reloading. You walked all the way across that open field. Not on me. Oh, come on.
How many we got ahead of us? I don't know, probably like 2. You ready? Wait, you want to go?
Yeah, I'll cover you or something. I don't know. Go for it. Hello?
Ready?
Nope, nobody? Nobody?
Gun shooting? Wait, gun shooting? Okay, got one mag. Come on, ready? Ready? Take over this brick area, we're going to push. Ready?
Yeah. Got anything? Wade, watch your right. Because Bro McGee and his girlfriend ran in the middle. I saw him. I'm assuming that was his girlfriend. I don't know. Maybe a different dude. Fuck if I know. I can't tell them apart. I don't know what color flannel they're wearing. Them and their damn flannel. Okay.
What's the north field? Where?
Do what? Sure. You guys go around. I'll walk up this trench here and see what I can see.
green?
What?
You want green?
Yeah, we're blue. Say, what? Yeah, we're blue. Yeah. I think there's more of us, so. What? Okay. I didn't know what team you were on, so I mean, I was just like, I thought you were like, oh, I'm blue, and I was like, okay, cool. Oh, God. Let's go, let's go. Move, move, move. Chaka, motherfucker, chaka. Coming in. Hey, blue. Blue, dude. Don't fucking friendly us. My God. With the fucking dummy.
I was shooting y'all. Yeah. I was really confused first thing. I thought it was so cool. The Fury, make sure they can't shoot.
Gotta defend it now.
Defend it. Defend it.
Hell yeah, Cody. Hell yeah. All right, guys, dig in. We gotta hold it for a minute. They're probably gonna push. Gotta hold it. They're coming in. I got hit by friendly fire. That's why I'm responding. Hoorah! Do what? Yeah, they got the diplomat. Is that a friendly walk in the woods or is it red? Way to go, Swade. Yeah. Oh, go, 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 go. Whoa!